Hey everyone! In this video we are going to design this hinge. As you can see, it's fully defined, which means all the constructions are applied correctly. It's made of 3 parts, just like the ones you see here. So let's get started and build them. For the sketch, we use front plan, and then we use rectangle about 50 millimeters and 100 millimeters. I will point out the important tips along the way, but for the rest of the steps I prefer to keep it simple with background music. Here's a tip. To place the rectangle at the origin, draw the diagonals with the center line tool and set them to be centered on the origin. We use this plane, this, right. Here, to mirror anything, we first need to select it, which is basically the same as using the half circle we have. To make the holes better, we use the hole wizard cut. To keep everything aligned, start by drawing a central line first. For first part, it's done, and we save it. Actually, before moving on to part 2, we need to make a cut on part 1 with dimensions from 60 to 11. For the second part, since it's similar to the first one, I will put it in on the fast forward. But there is one important section, and I will explain that part to you. This is an important step. Here we need to use Extrude, but with specific settings. Click on the offset, set to the distance to 20 millimeters, and extend it to 60. That's it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.